Hi there. So today we'll go through PartyRock, an Amazon Bedrock playground, right? So if you are aware of Amazon Bedrock, it's basically this Gen AI service that Amazon offers. You are able to access to multiple different large language model, large image like generation as well. So all AI models are um, most of the state of the arts are available in Amazon Bedrock. And this PartyRock is a playground of it. So we are able to get inspired by everyone's creation here. You can see that there is many um, options. So let's just look at who's the hackathon winner, and you can see that there's this zombie game here, which is quite interesting, right? And you can see that there are countless of possibility to do with whatever this playground can offer. We can even create a small little game, a word game like that. And this is what I did in the end. I created a meal bestie, so answering your daily eat what lay or countering responses like anything lah, right? So this is just Fox and Finds, just my little experiment trying to discover how to create application in PartyRock, right? So let's maybe put something else. Um, Maybe I put Singapore as well, but I say I'll eat some fish instead, right? So this will be outdated. It will prompt you saying that okay, so I need to press play. Okay, so here's a story that maybe if you're a food blogger, you can write up as well, or do documentation on your food journeys and everything for anyone who's really enthusiastic with food, right? And this is the chatbot as well. So when I press play, we can see that all the other AI um, widgets are waiting, and then once this is okay, then they are ready to. So this is fish. You can see on Labrador Seafood Cafe. I'm sorry, restaurant, and yeah, which is the chili crab. Yeah, um, even though it's not fish, but I guess it makes sense since it's seafood. And if you're not really happy on whatever recommendation they have, like as of now we can see that I'm not happy with it. I'm like, I asked for fish and they give me crab. Maybe I'll say I'm allergic to crab. um or maybe I ask them for, is there any good places for fish in Singapore? Small stingray. Oh, okay. But I don't think they got. Oh yeah, that's it here. Okay. So they have a selection, and maybe I'll put I'm allergic to crab. So any food preferences or dietary requirements, probably I will update this. Let's play again, see? But you can see that all these widgets are working, and I'll just show you in the in a minute once all this demo is fine and working. I'll show you how to what I've discovered through this experiment, right? Um, Okay, yep, the generation is ready. So this is like an AI generated image, so it's not very accurate to what the restaurant has. Probably I need to do a better approach where I need to call an API for the reviews from Google, scrap it, and try to do something more. This is something I will probably improve on if I ever want to create an application like this. And yeah, so it still recommend me Labrador seafood restaurant. I guess there is a certain bias or asam pedas fish. Interesting. So yeah. Hi. I would like to cook maybe now that I know I love the asam pedas fish here and I'm no longer in Singapore, for example, I want to learn how to cook. Can I have a guide? Yeah. Yep. So this is like a chat bot that is a chef that knows all the different recipes and all. Okay, maybe I'm saying that I'm stuck at cleaning the fish. How should I do so? I did not purchase a fish fillet, but I purchased a full fish instead. Yep. So they'll give you step by step, just like a normal chatbot, right? So let me just show you how to generate an app. So I'm able, if you can't see this, maybe you start from this. When you press build your app, usually they will let you, this is what I experienced just now, let you describe whatever app you would like to have. Maybe I don't even need to write a lot. I can just say I want to create, I want to think of names for my puppies, for example. Okay. And there is like some example prompt here that we can check out, like that. But we don't need to have that complicated things. We just can write this. And usually when they press generate, it might take some time, but overall they will ask you to create an account. So you need an account for this, either the Amazon account, Google account, or Apple account, depends on your operating system as well. They probably will suggest differently, but mine did show like a Apple account sign in. So yeah, so now look at it, it's like it's completely ready. And you do note that this application is public, so if I send to like anyone this URL, they can access and use it as well, right? And this puppy name generator, I just want to show you around. All these are widgets, everything is in widgets, and if you press edit, and you can see there is this sizing, so we are able to size it to smaller and like even shorter. Okay, and you can scroll down still even if it's not of the same size, so you don't worry about the text generated from the AI widgets, right? And for the puppy breed and number of puppies, maybe I put like German Shepherd and 2, I mean 12, maybe 12. Okay, so now I just want to bring you to, yeah, I can even like drag it. It depends on how I liked it. I put it this way, and maybe I drag this up. So this is how we can make full use of the sizing, and maybe I can create more of like user input. So I'll just name puppy personality, or maybe just personality. Tell me more about your puppies. Okay, and there you go, the placeholder. And there is, you can also set the default value, but I think I don't need it for now. So how do I, for example, now if I run this, okay, since I think I used too many times. Wait, is this a chair? Choose all the hats. I think this is a hat. Hat. Okay, so we'll start generating. Yeah, so okay, it's quite interesting. There is like, I like how there is also like a meaning to it, like blitz. Oh, it's actually German for lightning, and yeah. So the problem is like when if you press edit, there's only a number of puppies and puppy breed, right? And incorporate details of like into name if possible, for like all these things. Because it's a German Shepherd, that's why it's all like German related, I guess. Uh, Maybe let me think. Golden Retriever. Then, okay. Now when I press, and you realize that there's always outdated tag whenever it's not. But you can see, yeah. So I guess they inferred from the name as well. So sometimes you want to be more personal because like maybe some German Shepherd or like Golden Retriever may not be of the stereotypes. And here we want to talk a bit more that it's cute but lazy, likes to lay around. but it's not really included in the prompt. So how do we do it? So you can see press add to reference another widget. So if possible, and reference this personality. Press save. And now when I press play, yep, you can see that it has this cute but lazy and all. And maybe I want to say keep it one name, not adjective. Okay, so something like that. Yep. So there's also like a chatbot, and if I want to create, so this is the uh, layout of creating new widgets. Just now I showed y'all like one of the user input. Static text is basically like marked out. Document upload is quite cool as well, because like maybe we want the AI to help us like summarize some documents, and we can do that as well. And here are like the AI powered widgets. So text generation is what we have been looking at. The image one is one that you've seen here, and the chatbot will be the one as like the chef, or like even here, discuss the puppy names, additional suggestions. So it's like if you're not happy with like any of this, you can like add on here. Yeah, so just with within a few minutes, you have like your very own Gen AI application. Yay! So that's basically the PartyRock by Amazon Web Services, and basically a playground for the Amazon Bedrock. Yep. So I hope you learn a lot from here, and like thanks for tuning in.